Migration of website to Hostinger is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you have to open Google Chrome, and in search bar you have to type Hostinger, and then click on the hosting platform made for you. Go online with Hostinger. When Hostinger website is open, then we have to click on Login button. After pressing Login button, its login window will be open. Then you have to enter email and password here. When you have entered these details, then click on Login button. Then another Hostinger window will be opened. Here you have to click on account icon. Then click on Migrate website. Another window will be open here. Here you can see the migration request. You have to click on Add Request button. After that, migration request window will be opened. Here you have to select destination website. After it, you have to provide website files that you want to migrate. You have to choose Use WordPress login here. You have to enter WordPress login URL, account username, and account password. Click on Submit button. Now your website will be migrated. So in this way you can migrate website to Hostinger.